So my name's Jamie from Car Cosmetics. I started this business 2 years ago. I left a friend's company to go on and develop myself personally. So I run a small smart repair and detailing studio, carrying out minor repairs on vehicles to bumpers, panels, and we do high-end vehicle paint correction and protection. I began in trade work, so I did mobile work, worked for big dealerships, small independent traders, but I found that wasn't rewarding enough for me, so I decided to work on a personal level with customers because I think they can see that I'm really passionate. I always go the extra mile with my customers. I explain the whole process of each job. I give them live updates and videos, and I think they really appreciate that. So when they come in and collect the vehicle, they're just blown away. When you put the hard work into their vehicle, they see that, and the personal reward from that is just amazing. I come across Q1 products through a friend of mine. He spoke about these products to me. I then purchased some just to try out and see, because I do like trying different products. And you know, I've been using them for about 2 months. Since using them, I have no reason to go back to some of the old products that I'm using because they perform better all round than all the other products I've used. So the Q1 product that's made the biggest difference to my smart repairs processes and also my detailing is the Q1 foam masking tape. The biggest thing is it's saved a lot of time and money. I used to use tape all the time to mask up the inside of doors. Now, with literally in 2 minutes, I use the Q1 masking foam tape and it's done. And it works well with my detailing because it stops compound getting inside the doors. Same sort of thing when I'm painting across panels, it instantly stops the paint going through, keeps a nice clean tidy edge. So when I've cleaned the inside of a vehicle, I just take it off, one wipe and it's done. So it's very clean and tidy. Because of the products, I'm now working faster and getting jobs turned around quicker, but to the same high level. Yeah, it's made me more productive all round.